1993, purchased by me, young artist. 2023, refurbished by me. Both compressors manufactured in 93. I got this one in bad shape. Did the maintenance overhaul on the motor. Added a fan. Replaced the power switch. Added a new extension cord, or should I say cord. And replaced the grommets. And made a few corrections to some parts that were attached. Just the maintenance on it. It's not in the best of shape still, but it's working. It runs. My compressor here that was purchased in 93 never had such issues like that one had, because I never treated it bad. But this one is a refurb. I basically refurbed, purchased it for $150 on eBay. Both of these compressors today are worth estimated $2,500 each, and I'm not interested in selling. It's just the facts. I saw, or should I say I knew a deal when I saw one, and there it is. Jun-Air, 6 compressors, 6.5 gallon tanks, perfect for airbrush artists. Not enough of us know about what these compressors do for us because they're expensive, and most people never get a chance to buy ones that are suitable for painting practically anything. But when you have the right silent compressor, silent oil compressor, you can't go wrong. These things are bulletproof if you take care of them. Like I said, I add fans to them on the back to keep them cool when they run. The fans kick in as soon as the motor kick in. I put one on this one, as this compressor is actually for my wife, and she's not going to use it much, I don't think. But if she does, I'll add a fan. But for right now, the one fan where it is just perfect. I just wire it right into the back of the box here. And once you wire it in, pretty much to the motor side, as soon as the motor kicks in, the compressor, when it kicks on, the fan kicks on. These are bottles that I attached so you can drain the oil or water, moisture that fills up in the tank. I'll put it this is extra air. As you see, comes right on. Jun-Air, get yours.